Write today's date beta 4-3-2021. Children, we are doing essay 2 revision. What we are doing beta today? Today we are starting a revision. See beta, write essay 2 revision. You should write this revision in your classwork beta. You have 2 classworks. Okay, if one classwork is completed, take new classwork. If you have pages in first classwork, then fold the paper and start writing like this essay 2 revision portion. You all know in first paper how we all will write. Essay 2 revision date, portion, leave a line, write blocks. There are only 10 blocks for your essay 2 revision. 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 22, 23, 24 and 25 blocks. These are the blocks what you should read for essay 2 revision. You need to read only these 10 blocks. Okay. Now see. What is this? Don't get confused. These are the blocks in which workbook you have these blocks. In volume 2 workbook you have block 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and 16. In volume 3 workbook you have 22, 23, 24 and 25 blocks children. Okay, now take out your classwork. Before starting our classwork, see, block 10 is about coming of the British. When British came to India, for what they came to India, what attracted British, spices attracted British, spices and precious stones attracted British, so they came to India. Then what they did? Let us see in our book now.
Children, see what I have written on the board. Same I have written here in your classwork. You should do this. First fold the paper beta in your classwork. If first you have 2 classworks, no? If first classwork is full, it is completed, then you take another new classwork. If you have pages in that classwork, you can continue like this. Fold like this and write social studies, essay 2 revision, and you write here children like this. Essay 2 portion, blocks, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 22, 23, 24 and 25. These are the blocks, same blocks from which volume workbook it is there. I am showing you. Volume 2 workbook, we have these blocks 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 and 16 blocks. In volume 3 workbook, you have 22, 23, 24 and 25 block. What I have written on the board children. Don't get confused. This we are telling about workbook. Blocks are same children. Next, you need to write like this. Date, day 1. Essay 2 revision, block 10. Coming of the British children. Then you write first bit glossaries, reader page number 67. Okay, second bit match the following from your reader page number 68. Next, third bit volume 2 workbook S1 page number 10. Question number 2 and question number 3. You write like this. How I am writing? Same you write first in your classwork. Then you can start writing your answers. Fourth bit. Volume 2 workbook. S2 page number 11. Question number 1 and question number 3. Write 2 times in your classwork. Means in your revision book. First you write like this beta. First you write like this. In your revision book. Copy this in first page. Fold the paper like this. Copy these blocks. Then copy this in your revision book. After writing this, you should write your answers from next page. Okay. See beta now. Block number 10. See, turn to page number 67. You need to write this glossary. See, I have written here, no? First bit glossaries, page number 67, these glossaries. Okay? Eight glossaries you have. Next page, page number 68. You have this match the following. 4 match the followings are there. See, I have written here second bit match the followings. See here. See from here and write how many times? 2 times. Then next Third bit, take out your volume 2 workbook. See beta, in your workbook, block 10, S1, CS1, question 2 and 3. What does freedom mean to you? Which type of freedom are important for people? These 2 question answers you need to write. Next, volume 2, page number 11. You need to write this first question and third question. What is third one? What could have stopped the British from establishing their rule in India? First one you need to write this and tick. Spices. What are the spices? Okay. Write this properly 2 times. Write this properly 2 times in your revision book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.